analysis. The packing flow: trays, moisture barrier bag, inner box and outer box. Following trays are typically used: EPAC, TQFP, Peak QFP, Sunrise, TQFP, and ASE LQFP 7x7x1.4 mm. One tray stack LQFP 48 will consist of 9 full trays and 1 empty top tray as cover. One full tray takes 250 devices. The pin 1 of products in the tray shall be placed towards the corner that is marked with chamfer. Do not combine different lots or date codes into the same tray or tray stack. Stack the trays and place an empty tray on top. Secure the stack with plastic straps. The trays have notches for the straps. The bands should be tight. If the straps are loose, you will need to attach them again. If they are too tight, however, they might break. Moisture barrier bag. The moisture barrier bag should include a tray stack, 1 unit of desiccant, and 1 humidity indicator card. Place the tray stack on ESD foam or bubble wrap. Add the humidity indicator card. Humidity indicator card shouldn't be in touch with the desiccant, as it may lead to wrong result. Wrap the stack with ESD foam or bubble wrap and attach with rubber bands. Put the package in a moisture barrier bag and seal it with a vacuum packing machine. Check that the bag is sealed properly. Labels. The MSL3 label should include at least the following information: MSL level, peak package body temperature, and bag seal date. Product label should include at least the following information: device. Check the correct name from the LOT Traveller or VLSI purchase order. Package, LOT ID, wafer lot ID, mark all characters of the original wafer LOT ID. DC. See marking date code on the packing. Quantity of the parts packed into the moisture barrier bag. Barcode of the above information. Place the MSL label and product label on the moisture barrier package. Inner box. Attach a product label to the box. Add an ESD label if not printed on the box. Pack the moisture barrier bag in the inner carton box wrapped in bubble wrap. Fill in the empty space with plastic bubble wrap. Seal with QA acceptance label. Thank you for choosing VLSI.